वेलकम टू गॉड से बी हैप्पी। और आज हम देखेंगे लिमिट्स। तो लिमिट्स क्या होता है? लिमिट्स हमारा होता है कि लाइक व्हाट विल हैपन इफ x टेंड्स टू 2। ये साइन हमारा लिमिट्स में टेंड्स टू का होता है। एंड व्हाट विल हैपन इफ x इज इक्वल टू 2। फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी इस एग्जांपल में x स्क्वायर माइनस 4 अपॉन x माइनस 2। नाउ इफ वी अप्लाई x इज इक्वल टू 2 we will get 0 upon 0. Limit, it is an indeterminate form which is not valid. But if we apply limit 2, x limit 2, then what we will get is that here we will write x tends to 2 limit. Now we will get that limit x tends to 2. Here we have to eliminate. This is a square minus b square form, so we will write x minus 2 and x plus 2, and we will get x minus 2 in denominator, and we will cancel out this. Now we apply the limit and we get 4. So the limit of this at x tends to 2 is 4. So this is the case of limit. Now we will study algebra of limits. How we are going to deal with it? Let's discuss that. Now algebra of limits. If we are given limit x tends to a and fx plus gx. Now we can write it like this also. Limit x tends to a fx plus limit x tends to a gx. We can give this limit to each of this. This is limit algebra of addition. Now second, if we are given limit x tending to a and fx minus gx, same here we have to do limit fx x tending to a minus limit gx. We can calculate the limit individually and then we can subtract. Now for multiplication, limit x tending to a and fx is function of x, gx is function of x. Now in this also we will calculate limit of fx and gx individually and we will multiply. So limit fx x tending to a dot limit gx x tending to a. For division also we will calculate limit individually and we will do x tending to a fx upon gx is equal to limit x tending to a fx upon limit x tending to a gx. This was some algebra of limits. Now we have some trigonometric formulas in limits, that is sin x upon x equals 1, cos 1 minus cos x upon x equal to 0, tan x upon x equals to 1. In this case we can also have it like this: sin x plus a upon x plus a is equal to 1. Or here we can also have tan x plus a upon x plus a is also 1. Now we will discuss methods of solving limit. हमारे पास we have 4 methods of solving limits. 1, direct substitution method. And its example is like this. For example, we have limit x tending to 1. Example, limit x tending to 1, x square plus 1 upon x plus 1. Here we will directly apply the limit x is equal to 1, x tends to 1. So x square 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Second, we have factorization method. In factorization method, we factorize the common part from the limit and then we solve. For example, in factorization, we try to remove the thing that is making the equation 0 by 0 form. It is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Now, example of factorization method. We have example 2x square plus 9x plus 5, so minus 5 upon x plus 5 and limit x tending to minus 5. Here if we apply limit x tends to minus 5, then we will have denominator 0 and even the numerator, because let's check once by substitution. 5 square into 2, 50 plus 5, 9 is 45 minus 45 minus 5 upon minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0 by 0, not acceptable form, indeterminate form. So in this we will try to remove the thing that is making the equation 0 upon 0. So let us solve this. Now we will factorize it. 2x square plus 9x minus 5. So 2x square plus 10x minus x minus 5 upon x plus 5 equals, so we will take 2x common, x plus 5 minus common, x plus 5 upon x plus 5 equals to 2x minus 1 x plus 5 upon x plus 5. Cancel x plus 5. We have 2x minus 1. Limit 2x minus 1. Limit x tending to minus 5. We have to put limit everywhere. Limit x tend to minus 5. Minus 5. Here also limit. I forgot to put limit, but you remember to put limit. So limit x tends to minus 5. Even here limit x tend to minus 5. Now if we here apply limit, we will get minus 10 minus 1 is equal to minus 11. Now another method that we have to solve limit is rational method, rationalizing. By rationalizing we solve limits. So rationalization method. Rationalization method. Example of rationalization method. We have this question. In this we have to rationalize. So a square plus x square minus x square minus a square upon x square. So we will rationalize it into a square plus x square plus x square minus a square upon root a square plus x square plus root x square minus a square. So we will find a square. Now this is a plus b, a minus b form. So a square plus x square minus x square plus a square, x or x cancelled, upon, we have a change in the question. here it is a square and x square. A square, so a square, x square, a square and x square. So here it will be a square plus x square minus a square plus x square upon x square root a square plus x square root a square minus x square. This a cancelled, so we have 2x square upon x square root a square plus x square root a square minus x square. X cancelled. Now here limit x tending to 0, limit x tending to 0. Now if I will apply limit over here, I will get root a square upon root a square. It will be equal to 2a square. Sorry, here it will be plus the root a square plus root a square is equal to 2 root a. 2 root a it will be 2 root a, 2 cancel, 1 upon a is the answer. Now third that we have to solve the limit is by using some standard limits that is given to us. For example, by using some standard limits, by using standard limit, like we have one standard limit is this, that x to the power n, a to the power n upon x minus a equals n a n minus 1. This is a standard limit that we have. So using this limit we can solve many limits problems. So video is over now and we have completed limit.